Hey guys, welcome back. This is me Pranay and you're watching Techno Master. So guys, today we are going to have a look at this brand new Xiaomi 14 Civi. So let's get started guys. So let's start with the look first. At the bottom you have a speaker grill as you can see, and you can see the sides. We have this awesome looking design, and you can see the camera circle, and we have this triple rear setup at the back, and it is functioning good for now. I think great. And in terms of chipset department guys, this handset is powered by the octa-core Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 chipset, which is a 4nm based one and comes with Adreno 735 GPU. So it is very powerful enough. And now let me just go to the camera department. So at the back you can see the awesome design. This sensor is powered by 50 MP light fusion sensor and with 12 MP ultra wide angle lens and with 50 MP telephoto 2x lens as well, and we have Samsung's JN1 sensor as well. So it is a good set of cameras I think. And let me just go to the about phone and show you the Android version. So as you can see out of the box, this device is running on Android 14. So that's it. And now let me just go to the camera app and show you the camera interface. So as you can see, clarity is decent. Let me just zoom in to the object and it is looking decent. So I will soon make a full review video of this device, so stay tuned for that, and please subscribe to this channel to get more such videos in future. So till then, thanks for watching.